Learning to ride a bike. Today, I learned how to ride a bike without training wheels. I was a little scared at first, but Mom and Dad were there to help me. They held on to the back of the bike while I pedaled. At first, I wobbled a lot, but I kept practicing. After a few tries, I felt more confident. Then Mom let go, and I was riding all by myself. The wind in my face felt amazing, and I couldn't stop smiling. I rode around the park feeling so proud that I had learned something new. I realized that even though learning something new can be hard at first, it's important to keep trying. Now, I love riding my bike and can't wait to go on long rides with my friends. Mom and Dad were so proud of me, and I'm proud of myself too. Learning to ride a bike was such